Welcome to the best picks. The best wood wipes is probably one of the most convenient and effective ways to maintain the beauty of your wood furniture, and in this video, we will delve into what makes certain wood wipes stand out from the crowd, exploring various factors such as their cleaning power, ease of use, and the specific types of wood they are best suited for. We will also discuss the importance of choosing the right wood wipes to avoid damaging your precious furniture, and help you make an informed decision when selecting a product that will keep your wooden furniture looking its best for years to come. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Beeswax Polish. This natural oak-colored wax revives and enhances the color of light brown wooden surfaces. It even helps hide minor scratches and marks. It's designed for all types of wood, modern or antique, including veneers. This fine beeswax formula works beautifully on all light-colored natural woods. Our natural beeswax blend has been used successfully by professionals and customers for years. It's a trusted formula for beautiful results. It feeds, protects, and enhances the shine of wooden surfaces. It creates a long-lasting, durable, and natural-looking shine that's also food-safe. First, clean the furniture with our wood cleaner. Then, apply the polish with a cloth, following the wood grain. Buff after 5 minutes for a beautiful luster. Additional coats can be added for extra protection. What we like. It deeply nourishes the wood, giving it a long-lasting, natural shine. If you have antique or valuable wooden furniture, this is the best choice for you. It's also food-safe, perfect for kitchen furniture. What people say. It kept the bamboo cork from getting moldy for a few weeks as opposed to just a few days without waxing. This polish goes on easily. You have to make sure that you let it dry after you buff it. Makes your wood furniture shine. Very easy to apply, then let dry for 30 minutes or more depending on humidity. Doesn't take much effort, buff out a shine. Number 4. MiracleWipes Wood Surface Cleaner. Say goodbye to dirt and grime on your wood surfaces. These wipes make cleaning easy and safe for all your wood furniture and floors. It effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and even stuck-on food. It's the perfect solution for a sparkling clean. Watch as it eliminates scratches and scuffs, leaving behind a brilliant shine. Your wood will look its absolute best. This phosphate-free formula is tough on grime but gentle on your wood. It's safe for frequent use. From oak and cherry to bamboo and even tile, it's the ultimate multi-surface wood cleaner. It's perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. With 30 wipes in each pack, you'll always be prepared for any mess. Get yours today. What we like. These wipes are effective at deep cleaning various surfaces, leaving a brilliant shine. If you are looking for a convenient and effective way to clean multiple wood surfaces quickly, this is for you. It's great for busy households. What people say. This does an amazing job of cleaning decades of grime and removing water rings from the finish. These little clothes really clean and shines your wood surfaces without a lot of hard work. They worked well removing the sticky residue left by hands going up and down. Left a nice shine. Number 3. Furniture Clinic Teak Care Kit. First, dust off your furniture. Mix the teak cleaner with water, 1:5 ratio, scrub the surface, and wipe clean with a lint-free cloth. Rinse with water to remove any excess cleaner. Before you begin, gather your supplies. The teak cleaner, a bucket, warm water, a scrub brush, and a lint-free cloth. Make sure to shake the bottle well before using it. Next, enhance the natural color. Mix the teak brightener with water, 1:1 ratio, apply it to a clean cloth, and rub it along the wood grain. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse. Now, it's time to oil your furniture. Apply the teak oil liberally to a clean cloth, rubbing it in along the wood grain. Wipe off any excess and let it dry for 4 to 6 hours. For best results, apply 3 coats. It is recommended to clean and re-oil your furniture once a year. You can use the brightener if needed, especially if the furniture has weathered badly or if you missed an annual oiling. After the oil has dried, your teak furniture will be protected and looking its best. Enjoy your revitalized outdoor space. What we like. This kit provides a complete cleaning, brightening, and protecting system for outdoor teak furniture. If you need to restore and maintain your outdoor teak furniture, this is the best option. It's perfect for keeping your patio furniture looking its best. What people say. The 3 products in this set allow you to easily clean, brighten and protect your expensive teak lawn furniture. Whether in a rainy area or dry desert area such as where we live, the furniture stays durable and attractive with periodic use. I use this product as instructed on some teak furniture that gets left in the elements all year in the Denver, Colorado area. While it's too early to determine if the bright results will last, I can say that the early results are outstanding. My gray, weathered teak has been resurrected. It was easy to apply and the actual product wasn't too nasty or dangerous smelling. Very impressed by the results, a good combination of quality products. Follow the instructions. Cleaner and the excellent brush make easy work of cleaning the wood with a light sanding before using the teak brightener brings out a nice natural color. The teak oil, which I believe is a mix of boiled linseed oil and tung oil, gives an excellent finish. Number 2. Weiman Lemon Wood Cleaner Wipes. Tired of cleaning wood furniture? These wipes make it easy. They clean and polish, leaving your wood looking its best. It effortlessly removes dirt and grime. It's the perfect solution for everyday cleaning. They leave behind a pleasant, clean scent. Enjoy the fresh lemon fragrance after cleaning. No messy sprays or complicated steps. Simply wipe and enjoy a sparkling finish. It's specially formulated to be gentle on all types of wood. It will protect and enhance the beauty of your wood furniture. With 30 wipes in each pack, you'll have plenty for all your cleaning needs. It's perfect for keeping your furniture looking great. What we like. These wipes offer a fresh lemon scent and are incredibly convenient for quick cleanups. If you prefer a simple and refreshing way to clean your wood furniture, these are a great option. They are perfect for everyday maintenance. What people say. These are not soggy and leave just enough polish to provide a nice clean shine once buffed with a cloth. No work at all to the process. They are easy to use and get rid of dust while giving a nice shine. The dust sticks to the wipes and are easy to use. I have also used them on the wood stairs not covered by carpeting. Very easy to use and don't take much space to store. Number 1. Pledge Expert Care Wood Wipes. Give your wood furniture the care it deserves. These wipes clean, shine, and protect, all in one easy step. Watch as they effortlessly restore your furniture's natural beauty. It's the perfect quick clean for a stunning shine. They're not just for wood. Use them on sealed leather, granite, stainless steel, laminate, and quartz surfaces too. These wipes are fast, easy, and convenient to use. Simply wipe and enjoy the results. Say goodbye to fingerprints and hello to a protective, glossy finish. It leaves no sticky residue behind. Enjoy the invigorating scent of lemon as you clean. It leaves your furniture smelling fresh and clean. With Pledge Expert Care Wood Wipes, maintaining the beauty of your home has never been easier. Trust Pledge for lasting shine and protection. What we like. These wipes provide a protective shine while easily removing fingerprints. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to clean and protect your wood furniture, this is a great choice. It's perfect for maintaining a polished look with minimal effort. What people say. Convenient and easy to use. Just pull out a sheet to quickly clean dust and add shine to any wood item in your home. They're great for quick and easy wipe down. They certainly do a good job getting the wood to shine. These wipes are easy to use and made a noticeable difference on all the wood furniture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.